What is going on? How's it going? Two people in here. So bullish. What's up, Silver? What's up, Dave? What's up, Slava? How you guys doing? XRP to the moon, huh? Ain't nothing new. Nothing new at the moment. Just here. Getting a nice little bounce here, though. Still doesn't look good, though. Let's see. Anything moving today? I think everything's holding up very well so far. But let's go see. But Bitcoin's trying to push here a little bit. Let's see if some of these coins are still holding up or are they breaking down. Yeah, we got a nice little buyback here. We got to be going up soon. What's today, the 14th? We got 6 more days till Trump saves us. Yeah, where's everyone at? 2 minutes in, there's only 6 people here. Got a nice little baby bounce, and there's no one here. We're not completely red across the board. I guess because there's nothing happening. Nothing at all. Let's see. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, is XRP still moving? XRP. Yeah, XRP is still bullish here. She's still slowly pushing up. Okay. Let's see here. What do you think of Polkadot? Supposedly it can save TikTok from being banned. Moving from kind squirrel in the nuts. What's up, Nick? Welcome in. Nothing's happening. Yep. Yeah, I figured there'd probably be no one here again today. So it'll probably be another short stream. We need tomorrow to get over with. We need Trump, I guess, to get in office. So are they really going to ban TikTok? I saw a headline of that, but I really didn't care to look into it. But yeah, XRP looks good here. Polkadot. How's Dot going to save TikTok? Polkadot's not looking too great. It's either the bottom is in or it's going down. Just lost support at the 236 and sitting right on the 0.5. So it needs to get over 680 or fall below 647 and go down further. But it is holding at the moment. Yeah, Polkadot hasn't done anything in forever. When are these other older coins going to start moving? Never. New version of TikTok on AVAX and Polkadot possible. Oh, okay. It runs on Polkadot now. I didn't know that. Carlo on base, he says. Is Carrot still alive? What's up, Jean? So they're just gonna ban it and no one in the US can use it? That's gonna make a lot of people mad. OG Jerry's back in the house. What's up, my man? Litecoin to the moon. Yeah, we'll go look at Carlo. Yeah, Polkadot hasn't done anything. So if Polkadot does that, or AVAX, whatever you're talking about, is that going to send this thing to the moon? Do we need to all buy into Polkadot here where it's doing nothing? Yeah, maybe we need to pile into Polkadot. Litecoin. What is Litecoin doing? Yeah, Litecoin's doing the same thing. It's doing nothing. A little bit more curled up than Polkadot, but it hasn't done nothing yet. Back down on the 382 support. Jerry's still holding on to his investment. Litecoin to almost 800 bucks. 7.5x. You loaded on Polkadot. I may have to go look at that. Polkadot 2.0 is supposed to be February 15th. Is that a whole new coin or are they rebranding? May have to go look into some Polkadot news and see Avalanche. He said Carlo on base. Yeah, we looked at Carlo, didn't we? This is that fat cat. It's got to be here somewhere. Carlo. Is it this one? I think this is the wrong one. Oh, this is it. Yeah, the Trump coin's going. I saw they're coming out with a bunch of different little Trump coins now. Trump fart, and there was another Trump something. I don't know where they are here. Yeah, Carlo still looks good. It's still holding up in the bull flag pattern. Really not doing anything, but sitting here. Low market cap, 3 million. I guess it hasn't moved since we looked at it. You're still above the 382 and you're still above the... Let me fix this real quick. Still above the 382 and above the 618, or 0.5 rather, 219. As long as you're above that, you're bullish in this pattern. Any lower than that, the pattern's going to break down and it's not going up anytime soon, but it's making higher highs and higher lows. It looks good here. Strong move up, bull flag pattern. She's probably going to run soon, especially if the market flips bullish, I guess. But it's looking good right now. The price to get over is 3.7. And if it doesn't get stuck instantly, 140% move to 0.078, then it should come test the high and break through. So if you're holding this thing or buying into it right now, potential 1920x up to 6, almost 7 pennies on Carlo. I think I saw the Trump coins on Coin Market Cap or something. Virtual coins are starting to go again. Let's see. Yeah, loaded up on Polkadot. Rebranding and updating system, okay. What is moving now? It's some kind of weird squirrel with nuts. There's always some kind of squirrel coin moving. Needs a meme coin in his portfolio. Turbo or bonk? I'll let you guys answer that. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't know which one I'd pick. What are we looking at? What do you say, Arrow? Arrow. What is Arrow doing? Yeah, every time we look at Arrow, it's... Oh yeah, Arrow hit the bottom. That's right. Bottom is in again. It came down and tagged the trend here almost perfectly. Just like this wick back here. Did it again. So Arrow's pushing right now. She's trying to get back above these 618. So 120 is your resistance right now, but you did just hit the trend. You would think it's time to come up and make a higher high now. Off of the higher highs and the higher lows. So maybe the next stop up is this thing coming up finally to the 1272 new high at 380 and doing a 3x. Or it's going to come up here and break. So once you get over 120, then 160 is your next move. I don't know why I did that. What am I looking for? Or it may just come up here and reclaim the high, get over this area here, and then hold and then die again. Depends on what's going to happen, I guess, with the market. Because when Bitcoin's going down, this thing doesn't hold up well. But yeah, as long as you're over 97, $1.20 is the price to beat. It's getting stuck right now. Could be in store for what it did back here. It bounced, got stuck, and just went sideways forever. Like I said, it's going to depend on what the market's going to end up doing. Yeah, no one here again. But if you're looking for $20, 16 billion market cap, 19.5x on Arrow. Turbo is still holding strong. I just did an update on Turbo. Bonk. I don't know about Bonk anymore. Are you guys bullish on Bonk? It's been going sideways forever. Had a nice run up. Now it formed this very large bear flag, and now it's going to zero. Wouldn't that be something? Not financial advice, but I'd probably pick Turbo. I don't know. What are you guys saying? Let's go back over here. Toshi skyrocketed today. What is Toshi on? What do you think of Peanut? Peanut, I mean, it's on Coinbase, it's on Crypto.com with all these other coins. I think if all these other meme coins, Mudang, Peanut, Giga Chad, Andy, Brett, all these coins take off, I think Peanut's going to take off. And whatever coin there is. What do you think of Peanut? Yeah, I think we've looked at Peanut before. What'd you say? Toshi? Toshi's on Deck Screener. Base, okay. M says he's bullish on Turbo. On Peanut. Yeah, the fact that these large exchanges listed them so quickly, they're probably going to perform very well. So maybe we all just buy all the meme coins along with, your bigger coins. But Peanut. Peanut the squirrel got back over the low after it broke down. Let's see here. So do we move this or keep it here now? I guess we'll have to move it. But it got back over the previous low, so that's good. After the little dip down. So that could very well be the bottom on this thing. So the price to get over is pretty much 70 cents. Over 70 cents, it'll confirm the bottom is in again. But there's no telling. Hard to time the bottom. I don't know, because these people say that these coins are all these meme coins we just mentioned are all going to hit, 40, 50 billion, some 100 billion market caps. I don't know if that's possible. But this one simply to a new high is a 6x. It's about $4. I don't know where they say this thing's going. Oh, this is what you meant. Peanut the squirrel. Toshi on base took off. But if you just go on Coinbase.com or Crypto.com, whatever you use, just go to the meme category and they have a whole big list of meme coins now. Choose wisely. Let's see, what am I looking for? We're looking for Toshi. Let's go to Toshi. Yeah, and if you go to Coin Market Cap, they have on the front homepage, they have the Solana meme coins that are ripping. I think there's one on there, dude. I think that Kekius one. I don't know if you can sell it or not, but that one of those coins did like a 10,000% move. I'm just like, why can't I find one of those? Toshi. Hoshi or Toshi? Let me see. I gotta go back to the chat. There's 16 people in here. Everyone, please hit the like button. It will help out a lot here. Oh yeah, Toshi got listed on Bybit. Peanut got listed on Coinbase today. Okay. Yeah, it's been on Crypto.com. What's up, Daniel? What's up, Jesus? Welcome back. So it spiked up. Let's see. So Toshi here got listed on Bybit and it spiked to the moon and came right back down. I don't know why I did that. I mean, it's not bad. It's curled up, higher highs and higher lows here. Just made a higher high. So what is this? Weekly candles. Yeah, hopefully you took profit on this thing if you're holding it. Yeah, if I looked at my phone and I had a big green candle spawned in here and I was up, I would just get out. Oh, smacked right into the 0.5. shot up and then it's stuck. So it's stuck below the 0.5 at 29 right now. And if it doesn't get back over that, there's a good chance it's just going to come right back down and hold a higher low once again. So you have the 382. So you may drop 26% to 22, and then even down 46% to 1.5 and still hold the higher low and then go up again. That seems to be what it keeps doing. Maybe next time I'd have an even larger move. Yeah, the volume spiked in. But that's what I need to do. I need to find a coin like that. Toshi. And these exchanges know what they're doing. They're listing Peanut on Coinbase. They're listing these coins because they know everyone's going to pile into them. All these memes. They want to make their money off of the people coming in. Did we check PNG? No, we did not. We looked at it last night and it was starting to drop. Hold on. But yeah, we will go look at it. PNG real quick. He said SEI is frustrating. What's up, Eldor? PNG. She's still holding. We had a little scare in the market, a little dip down, but ultimately we're holding it strong. So as long as you're holding over 30, there's nothing to worry about at the moment on PNG. She's still holding. That's been our level we've been watching forever here. Back over 31, high, low, you're back to being bullish. Back over 31. Or no, it's low, high. One of those. Yeah, low, high. Yeah, back over 31.5, you're back to being bullish. So you're kind of just getting squeezed right now. So either or is going to break. But it's holding up very nicely here. Same thing with SEI. It hasn't done anything. But it will at some point. As you can see, we're still holding up, but we're down below the 382 now. If I can get this to move. Yeah, she wicked down and hit the trend. Where we have it at least, and hit the 618 and got a nice little bounce. It needs to get back over pretty much 40 cents here. Let me see. Yeah, it made a slightly higher low from here. Slightly, so that's good. Now it's time to go up and make a higher high. But I hope it bounces forever. Whoever is holding SEI. 80 cents. Dang it. $0.80 is incoming. It should be 100x or 100% move. So a 2x from here to make a higher high. Maybe a little higher than that. But you get the idea. You think MNDE is about to take off? Marinade? BP, wife hit her 4x. Hit her first 4x on Toshi. That's good. On Tosh. Where's my 4x? I didn't buy squirrels. I like ISO coins. Yeah, Polkadot, Navax, all these coins. Litecoin, they haven't took off yet. They haven't done anything. He said Peanut's a joke. What's up, Jad B? He bought some PNG today, says Nick. Yeah, we didn't look at LCX, Connor. Welcome in. Marinade, LCX, and VBA. Marinade. Let's look at VBA real quick. Did she recover? Yeah, VBA doesn't look bad. It came back. It pretty much just came back and back tested our pattern here. 0.5 held, wick down. And you're back over the 382 here. So not bad. When is it going to hit 14 cents? You're over the 382 at 7, so you're bullish now. What do we got here? I guess we need to adjust the chart here now that we got new levels. Let's move that out of the way on VBA. But if we leave it there, we're bullish. But if we move it now, you can see it's going to change everything. Let's see. We'll leave that one there, and what we're going to do is draw a new one to see where this thing's going to end up going. So we'll go high there to the low. Let's see what it tells us here. Alright, so high to the low. Your support to hold is 7. Let me clean this up a little bit so next time we look at it. I think it dipped down and it's done here. So as long as you stay above, this is our 382. Come on. And we're just going to get this one off for now. And you're getting stuck right at the 618. So 7/8, 8 pennies needs to break and this thing can continue running. But it smacked right into the high, wicked above it. 14 cents. No idea when it's going to hit 14 cents, but as of right now, if you can get through all these levels, 18 cents is the 1272 new high. But yeah, LCX. Yeah, a lot of things we've been looking at have been bullish in patterns and consolidation. Same thing with LCX here. Excuse me. Depending on what time frame you look at it on, it is a very large, move down, but you could consider this a very steep falling wedge off of a very strong move up. You held the 618, you're over the 382. So let me go back here. If we can get back over 27 here, it'd be in real good shape. But what we can do on LCX off of the bounce, we could be dying again tomorrow. Little bounce up and then right back down. So your support to hold is 21. And then once this thing gets over 25, it's over the 236. So it's confirming bottom right now. So bullish over the 382 short term high low. And maybe this thing will take off once it gets over 25.5. Definitely once it's over 27, 28 here on LCX. But like I said, overall, it doesn't look bad. All these coins that had these large moves up, they've been all pretty much consolidating in some form of a bullish pattern. HBAR, XLM, XRP, Solo, Corium, Algo. Let's see, are we still live? Sitting here talking to myself. Oh yeah, Marinade. What is Marinade doing? What is Marinade doing? She was bullish in our little pattern here. We haven't looked at this in so long. So she did spike out. We probably mentioned that she's going to spike out, hit the resistance, which she did, and it's just going to die after that. We keep seeing things do that. It was in this bullish setup here, spiked, and then just died. So you're below the 0.5. Apparently broke the trend. Broke out of the pattern for just a moment, so that's out the window. You are making higher highs, and you are holding, as of right now, a lower high, or a higher low. Marinade. So really, yeah, it's sitting right on the final support, 786. So good call. She's about to go back up. As long as you're open 9.3, time to make a higher high on this thing. On that final support with that higher low. Yeah, this thing's about to move up 175, 200%. Potentially, doesn't have to. It could break down. Nice little 3x out of here. Yeah, and you just slightly got from here, slightly higher low, slight uptrend here. I guess it is holding, but you get the idea. It is holding, and stock RSI is going down, so you'd have that hidden bullish divergence once again on something. So from this same point here, lower low on the stock RSI, higher high or higher low still. So there's a lot of things saying the bottom is in right now on Marinade. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. Final support, bullish divergence on the trend. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I need to buy into stuff that I TA on, just like that. Like Marinade looks like it should go up from here. Then it could just stall out and sit here for weeks. But yeah, Marinade looks like the bottom is in. Entry point for VBA. The Moonwell discount took most of his powder. Yeah, how long are you going to hold this VBA coin? I guess I need to go look at what it is. There's no telling. You're getting stuck at the 618 high to the low. I mean, you did come all the way back up to the high. You're back down below the 618, so that's not good. So if you fall below 7 there's a real good chance you can come back down here easily, especially the way the market is right now. But you are starting to move up on the RSI here. But if you're trying to trade this thing, just not financial advice, but always use stop losses because it could easily come back down. Sub Slava for 2. I appreciate that, my man. Cardano, please. Yeah, that's why I wanted to get in on Algo. 10 billion supply. It was down in our pattern there. Man, I wish it would have waited for me because it's bullish again. Support the channel, he says. Yeah, at least support it with a like. Yeah, I think the bottom is in too, but just be careful. It could always go lower, but everything tells us the bottom is in. ADA. Well, if something's going to type. Cardano. V recovery on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, Cardano here's looking good too. Let's go out to the weekly. Yeah, the strong move up on Cardano, and it's just simply pulling back, consolidating in what appears to be a bull flag. Over the 0.5, holding strong. So Cardano, I guess we'll put in the camp with Algo and all these other coins that had these real strong moves, and now they're just consolidating and they're going to go up again soon. And like I keep saying, there's no point in these coins doing this, and we're in a bull market. XRP, people are calling for that thing to drop, but it looks extremely well. Yeah, Cardano, we'll just simply do this. We'll pull this out. High to the low. Yeah, pretty much came up 618 and dropped. You're over the 382 right at the 0.5, so it looks like once you get over 107, 107 up to 113, breakout confirmed, but it looks good here. But it could still chop around in here, but it needs to start moving up. It needs to catch up to these other coins breaking out already. What's up, Silver? He says XRP. But yeah, Algo is another good one. It was a good one at the bottom. What did I spell? Same thing going on here with Algo. I don't think there's anything down at the bottom in this formation anymore, is there? We looked at them forever and then they all just kind of went. Not totally, but... ABT still looking juicy. Yeah, Arc Block's still holding up very strong here. It's about to do a 145% move up. If only she'll wait. She needs to just stay dead there. Just stay on that support for another week. Just a week. Well, what is Well doing? What is DGen doing? Is it holding up? Yeah, our green box is holding. The support held, had a nice little dip below it. The candle body held perfectly on that level we had. But it still remains to be seen on Well here. Still making lower lows and lower highs, so it could still easily just come all the way back down to the trend. DGen. DGen's still holding up also. Yeah, there's so many things that look like they're bottoming out and holding, and there's so many things like ADA, Algo, all these coins that are in these bullish formations. We have to go up from here. So is Cardano going to shoot all the way up here? $6 and do a 6.5x. ASM is holding. Oh, that's right. I did do a video on Algo today. ASM. What has a 10 million market cap? Hold on. Yeah, ASM doesn't look bad here. It's still holding up. It's trying, it looks like, to form a little triangle continuation pattern. Little decent move up on the weekly. Let me see how long we've been on here. Not quite an hour yet. Yeah, give me just a moment. I'll be right back. Give me like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, we still here? All right, got it taken care of. Yeah, we got 11 people in here. ASM is what we're looking at. Yeah, can't wait till we get back to being bullish. Let's see, ASM is above the 0.5, high to the low. Yeah, we're above the double 0.5 here, so holding. And the double 618 is coming up, so that 6.6 level is going to be tough to get over. Double 618 there. But not looking too bad. ASM to a billion market cap, 70 cents. It's a 13x. New high. Kiko says LCX to the moon. Let's see, what does the poll say? What do we even say? Oh, 28 votes, 68% say we're going up. We'll see what happens. No, not that. Come on. What else do we usually look at? So is Aurora going to be something? From my understanding, that's where they launched the Turbo token. From Aurora. Aurora's holding up. That makes me wonder, Velo. I still haven't looked into it, where I can buy Velo at. Oh, Velo looks so good. Velo looks like she's about to blast off. Velo. Velodrome is still coming down. Low to the high, just hit the macro 618, 786 is coming up, but it's been just coming down. Yeah, you just broke the 618 on the smaller 14. So either that 618 is the bottom or not. Or it's going to make its way all the way back to the trend again. What's up, Disclosure? Bullish on Gari. Yeah, you're the one that always asks for Gari, huh? Gari Network. I don't think I've ever done a chart on it. Well, we've done a chart here, but yeah. Gari Network. Oh, this thing's way down at the bottom. And it's just sitting here consolidating. So Gari Network, 618 retracement in a bull market. It's going to take it up for a 13x. 786 possible, 32x. That's not bad. All right. But double bottom down here, and then she went. Yeah, it's very strange that it's holding up the way it is right here. It's just going completely sideways. Let's see here. Yeah, once you get over a penny and a half, this thing may start taking off again. I guess it kind of did the same thing back here after the strong run up. It dropped and then just went sideways forever. And it finally shot back up. Yeah. Is Bitcoin going to continue pushing here, or are we almost done? Yeah, I was looking for this Bitcoin chart that I drew a while back, and I finally found it. It was on the other list. Yeah, Bitcoin's almost doing the same thing. So if you TA Bitcoin on these smaller time frames here, she's above the 382, so it needs to stay above 96 now. Needs to get back over 100K. Yeah, this is the chart to where if you zoom out on the monthly, let me get the smaller one off. We can see we're holding low to the high, 236 at this 89.90K. I don't know if you guys have seen this one before. But if you zoom out to the monthly chart, it pretty much tells you every time what it's going to do. It's drop in, form this little bear flag, and then it dropped more. And it pumped up into this falling wedge pattern. My voice is going out. And some sort of a measured move. You could take that. It took you up to the 1272. Off of this little pullback, falling wedge, bull flag. Then the top was in. She formed another bear flag and just dropped. Continuation pattern, dropped. Continuation pattern to the upside, pumped. Bull flag, pumped. You get the idea. And then measured move off of this one. Maybe we're going to 200K. Depending on where you want to hold these at. I see some people hold them down into the bottom of the flag. So maybe 125K or 200K. Is that where we're headed? Same thing with this bear flag. Bear flag pull, took it right down into this consolidation, and it broke down further. We got Matthew. What's up, Matthew? For $4.99. I appreciate that. Bandit on base, he says. I appreciate that, my man. Second super chat of the day. I can retire now. I appreciate you guys. Come on, chat. I mean, come on. I can't scroll it. Bandit on base. Let's see what she's doing. Are your coins doing okay? I saw that, what was it? That AX, whatever that coin is. That virtual coin was still going. I don't remember what it was called. Maybe it was AIX. Oh yeah, this one. Well, I thought we had a chart for it. AIXBT. Bandit on base. Yeah, this thing just went again. But I appreciate that. Let me go over here to deck screener. Yeah, we just looked at Toshi here. Toshi apparently got listed on Bybit. I had a decent little pump. Come on. It's acting really slow. Oh yeah, the first crypto president. That thing did a 800% move almost. Almost. Wait, what am I spelling here? This thing's lagging out. Come on. This one? Yeah, this thing just had a huge run. If this is the right one, we've looked at it before. I don't remember where we were when we looked at it last, but it's getting stuck right now at the 2414 at about 5.5. But yeah, made a higher high. Overall, looking good looking chart here. Just keep in mind if you're holding this, hopefully you took profit, but higher high, every time it does that, it comes back down, so get ready to come back down. Buy back in when it comes down, I guess. But if that was the top and she's going to come back down again, we'll see where it holds, but it could hold anywhere. Maybe a 40% drop back down to the 1618 here. Not even a 500K market cap. If that was the right one, hopefully. Yeah. What's up, Cody? Analysis on Caspa. I haven't looked at Caspa in a while, it seems like. You got in on the bottom, nice. Hamdan says, I think I'm saying your name right, says do turbo. I don't know why I found that funny. Caspa and turbo. Yeah, you're killing it, Matthew. Caspa, what is Caspa doing? You think Caspa at $1 or $2 is fair this cycle? Or are you thinking it's going to go to $5 plus? Oh, Caspa had a nice move. Yeah, the last time we were looking at Caspa, let's see here. We were looking at the bottom being in, holding on that final support level. It looks like it came down and tagged this 10 again. And she's pumping. She's back above the 382. Yeah, that final 786 support we were watching, this 11.5 was holding up like a champ. Now she's moving. So held that final support, held the higher low. That's what we were looking for. Back over the 382 at 13, so your bullish breakout is confirmed over 15.7 here. And then maybe this thing will finally come up here and make a higher high. It needs to break this high back. It needs to break through this. That high to that high. So if it comes up here and gets stuck at the 618 and starts to pull back again, we'll see, but been going sideways forever. Caspa needs to get listed on some exchanges so people can buy this thing. I used to buy it on MEXC, but not anymore. But as long as you're over 13, you're bullish here off of that bottom. If the price can eventually get up here and break over, is that 19, then you're in good shape. And then Caspa, why do we have this all the way up there? Let me just zoom out just so we can see them better. But yeah, if we simply take a fib from here, the most recent sideways action, high low, maybe this gives us better targets for Caspa here. I can pull this up the way I want it. But yeah, Caspa from where you are right now, $1.37 potentially a 9x, and then $2, 54 billion market cap for a 15x, 15.5x. And we still do have which the market cap's probably changed on these, but from where you are today, if Caspa can hit $5, it's a 36x. And calculator. $4 to $7 for Caspa. Binance is teasing a listing. That would be good. So yeah, maybe she does go to $5. I mean, that's what we've been thinking all along here. We just recently came up with those other levels, $1 or $2. Turbo. Yeah, Turbo's doing nothing. It's holding up over our 007 support. It's back over 7.8. Price to beat is 8.7. But Turbo's just going sideways. It's holding up very well. It's just consolidating at the moment. I don't even have to look at the chart to TA Turbo. We look at it so much. So, yeah, you held our green support line, and you're getting squeezed right now. So 8.7 is your price to beat. And pretty much just keep it that simple. Every time it consolidates, it moves back up again at some point. But low to the high, there's our 382 to be bullish. We're back over this 7.8. So we're over 7.8, so you're technically bullish again. 8.7 is the price to beat, but going sideways. Oh, this cough is getting me. But yeah, Turbo, conservative compared to the influencers out there, would be a 26 billion market cap, 40-cent Turbo, 49x from today. More conservative, 15 cents for a 16x, 10 billion market cap, 17x. But she's holding up strong. Doesn't look bad at all. Render's not doing anything. Yeah. Render, did you see the update on Render? Oh, that reminds me. What is FET doing? What's up, Eric? Swift. Swift to 20, and then we're going to go look at Render and FET. Yeah, Swift is the one. This is the best chart I could find, I think, on Swift. Yeah, that's why we've had it for so long. She's holding up. So any lower than 0058, then she's just going to crawl her way back down here and potentially like this to the trend again. Back down to 0048 if this does not hold. Can it get to 20 cents? Oh, we already drew that. I don't know. I'm drawing it double. Oh, no, we didn't. It's sitting on a double 382 right now. What am I thinking? Oh, no, you're below the 0.5. Never mind. There's so much on the screen. But yeah, Swift coin, if it breaks support here, it's probably going to come down 19-20%, just kind of go sideways until it hits the trend. Unless it's going to happen fast, then you're going to just drop and hit a wick all the way to 004. But it is holding right now. 20 cents on Swift. What is our target? Yeah, we have 10 and 20 here. I think these are possible. Conservative would be 10 for a 17.5 18x, and then 20 cents would be almost a 2 billion market cap to a 35x. Pretty much from where you are today. It's not exactly perfect because this has moved. About a 33, 34x. Then I guess your Moon Boy target is 50 cents for an 80x. But right now, it just pins. It could come right back down to the trend here easily. We've seen it so many times. Yeah, what is FET doing? FET and Render, they got heavy market caps, huh? That's really why they're not moving. They're a little bit heavy at the moment. Yeah, FET looks extremely good here. Higher lows, holding up. But yeah, Render, I did an update on Render today. I was watching some dude do very early. He was trying to sell his what is it called? His Discord and stuff through the whole video, but I was just trying to learn about these new coins coming out and stuff. But he was looking at this pattern on the inverse head and shoulder patterns early on meme coins when they first come out, and that's when he gets in apparently. Now he can sleep better. At least 11 cents. What's up, Charles? What's up, Patrick? Charles, you haven't been here in a while. But yeah, looking at, where is it? Render. But this same pattern here that dude was pointing out on the meme coins, this head and shoulders pattern where you have this. Let me zoom this out. But you have the three little dips here. One dip, lower dip, and then a slightly higher dip for the inverse head and shoulders, and then the neckline, of course. And potentially the measured move out of this thing, depending on where you want to draw it. I guess here takes you up to 19 billion market cap. Not only is she bullish there, she's holding higher highs and higher lows here on the smaller time frames. And it did the same thing back here. One little dip, a lower dip, and then a little higher of a dip. But you get the picture, and then it just took off. It looks like it's doing it all over again on a bigger scale. At least 11 cents, yeah. SUKU is dumping. What's up, Flip Coins? Welcome back. Welcome in, my man. Hopefully your coins aren't dying. We haven't looked at them in a while. Caspa to $2. Are you asking or saying? I guess you're asking. I think Caspa's easily going to hit $1 to $2 this cycle. $5 may be possible, I guess, but $1 to $2 is very possible. SUKU. Yeah, I think SUKU's next up on the radar for the channel. Right after math. Yeah, SUKU not looking the greatest at the moment. We've been saying that though. Positive thing is you're holding over the 786 low to the high support. You did wick down. So, and it's time to go up for SUKU right now. Is it going to? No idea. You're on the final support. You broke the trend. You kind of died. So this 6 penny range is what needs to hold at the moment. It did just make a slightly higher low. Didn't come all the way back down to 4.7, just above it. So maybe this is the bottom. Yeah, if you want to count the 3-day chart here like we've been doing on a lot of things. Another positive, which you could say maybe the bottom is in. Just a slightly higher low here. And then of course on the stock RSI you have the lower, from that same point you have the lower low. So I guess you can consider bullish hidden divergence on SUKU on the bottom on support. Someone needs to wake it up and move it already. Yeah, we're not truly going anywhere until DXY falls. Oh, DXY is topping out. And of course, Bitcoin dominance has to come down at some point. Dominance is holding up very strong on the monthly. Excuse me. Oh yeah, ETH has to move. So until ETH starts doing anything, we're not going anywhere. Only thing that's going to happen is meme coins. Let someone say AXGT, says Charles. What's up, Cha? How you doing? AXGT. Let's see. But like I keep saying, is this what we're looking at? AXGT, what is this? Axon DAO governance token. What is this? Still holding the trend. Holding over the 382.5. It's just curled up. Higher highs and higher lows here. 3-day candles. It just hit the trend. It just hit the 382. Tagged it, and it's moving up now. So 29 is your support, and 39.40 is your price to break. It is making lower lows and lower highs right here, but overall, it looks good. So as long as you stay over 21, you stay alive. Any lower than that, then it's death. It's back to the shadow realm for this one, but it's looking good. If it breaks over 40 and comes up and makes a new high, this thing be getting ready to do 95 to 100% move soon. If it's going to continue to do what it's doing here. But yet another one on the bottom. And a slightly lower high on the 3-day stock RSI. We see this on everything 3-day. There's bullish hidden divergence on the 3-day on pretty much everything that's curling up like this and holding. So another thing telling us we should move. This one, $4.80 to $5, 15x, 873 million market cap. I don't know if that's our target. I guess that's why it's there. But first, new high on this thing would be $2. So if this thing hit a new high and did a 6.5x, that's where I'd get out. But that's just me. We made it over an hour. We still got 19 people in here. How's everyone doing? Everyone, please hit the like button. We're so bearish right now. I'll take like buttons. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Let's see. But yeah. Son says he was asking. Yeah, I think it's $1 to $2. $5 would be awesome, but you're a firm believer in your analysis. Can't find much YouTubers that know what they are doing. I don't even know what I'm doing, my man. I appreciate the words, but I learn every day. I try to do my best. What's up, Sean? What's the update on ORT? ORTs. It would be nice if we got more people in here. We blew through 10,000 subs, what, a couple weeks ago now? When was that? 2 weeks ago? I don't even remember. Maybe it was a month now. We're already at 10.5 and there's no one here. 20 people at most. I guess it's to be expected. ORT is breaking down, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it broke the trend that it was trying to hold here. Down below the 0.5236, so the bottom on the macro below 14.5 is not in anymore. I mean, you could push the narrative and pull this down here and say it's still holding the trend. It's right on the 618, so we'll just say that for now. New trend, low high 618. Any lower than that, then that confirms this move up. If it doesn't bounce, it's officially over, and then it's going to come down to lower targets. Is it going to? Maybe not, because we can see yet again, we looked at this last time, hidden bullish divergence on the stock RSI from the price. So it should be getting ready to bounce here. If not, it's going to drop 22% back down to 10. So yet another one telling us we have to go up right now. Excuse me. Yeah, yet another one. So many things on final levels, final supports, bullish divergence. If they can get back over 14.5, 15, then you're in good shape here. But off of that, it should come up to make the higher high. So it made the higher low, time to make a higher high. At least over 30, 130% move. Maybe you come all the way up to the 618 this time. Could be. Last time it had a very strong move up. Well, pretty much every time the bottom was in, strong move, a stronger move. So a stronger move on this one. Maybe Ort's about to do a 3x. Up to 42. Could be. And then Ort, new high. 260, 750 million market cap for a 19.5, 20x. On Ort. Let's see. I guess it's time to end the poll. Oh yeah, tomorrow's the Fed thing, huh? So we're gonna be bearish tomorrow because of the, what is it? The minutes coming out tomorrow. 41 votes, 78% say we're gonna go up, 22% say no. Yeah, I guess it's time to end the poll. Squirrels. Vader AI, please. Vader, what is Vader doing? I guess. Yeah, it held the trend. It broke the previous one that we had on the chart, but you can always adjust these trend lines. Not always, but you get the idea. Yeah, wick down below, hold the 786, hold the final. God. Yeah, I held that final level it needed to at the trend. I don't know what's going on with this coughing again. It's this weather. Yeah, hit the 0.5786 there and got a nice bounce off of the trend. She's moving up back over the previous high. Price to beat right now is 1, or 10 rather, not 1. And then we go simply low to the high. Yeah, you're sitting pretty right on top of the 0.5 support at 8. So you are sitting on support at 8. And then you have the 618 right under here. So there's 9.5 up to 10 pennies. If you get over that, this move down is over and you can start moving up to higher targets. And then this one, new high, 25 pennies up to the 2 would be a 3.5x. Next up. I'm not looking bad here. Now that we drew the trend right. XRP took off. Did it really? No, she's going. She's heading for $3.30. Yeah, Nice to see. She broke out of the bullish pattern here and she's moving. Not much yet, but it's a start. And I should have just put my money in XRP back here when we were watching it forever stuck. Can't say that. So XRP's moving. Does that mean XLM's moving also? All these coins are about to start moving. Yeah, XLM broke out of our little falling wedge pattern and starting to move. It needs to break over 47 to continue. If it can get over 47 here, then it's going to start moving too. Algo is going to start moving. Cardano. H-bar, what is H-bar doing? Yeah, H-bar is still holding up in our triangle pattern. It dipped down a little bit there, but same thing. It needs to break over this 786 to confirm a breakout over 32 pretty much. Not too late on H-bar. She's about to take off. Yeah, what if these coins keep pumping that we just looked at and nothing else moves? Oh, we got Harlem in here. He seems upset. Turbo looks good. We went over it already. It's consolidating, going sideways. It's not doing anything. It's holding all of our levels and it's just going sideways. It's going to go up at some point. It does that every time. It consolidates and moves up. Yeah, I did an update on Shiba today. What about Beam? Dogelon is waiting for me to get in at some point. I'm probably going to miss Elon. Yeah, we'll do the same thing on this one. Our trend wasn't perfect here. But yeah, this thing hit the 0.5, hit the trend, went down to it, held. It looks good. As long as you hold the higher low here, you're over the 0.5 at 2, trying to make a higher high. So this one's about to come up and test the high potentially. Do a 2x up to 4, get over 4. Yet another one looks like the bottom should be in here. And 3-day. Dang it, I gotta get a drink. Hold on. But yeah, another one on the 3-day chart here. We're curled up, higher lows, higher highs, of course, and then the stock RSI is going to 0. So we have bullish divergence off of the trend, off of support. So this one should start going up too. So Beam looks good for a bottom here. I mean, it's all going to depend on what tomorrow brings. It is crypto. We could always die. But if you're going to trade this thing, put in a stop loss. And if I could still use Mexi or something, I'd probably start trading some of these coins. Why is that all the way up there? So where's this thing going to? 15 billion market cap, 13x up to the 30 cents for Beam. Yeah, XRP's pumping. There's a good chance that Elon and SHIB don't run till the end. These coins that are running now, XRP, XLM, HBAR, Algo, Cardano, all these old coins that are big, then they're going to stop, and then all these other altcoins, crap coins, shit coins are going to run, and then the dogs will run at the very end. when Bitcoin's topping out. You'll have about a week to get in and get out of Elon and Shib and what's the other big dog? Oh, Dogecoin. Yeah, what is Dogecoin doing? All in on Doge on Mars. Yeah, that was my biggest bag back in January, February of this last year. Oh, you've been holding? Yeah, I got out of Shiba. Once Shiba started to run, almost at the top, I got out. But I didn't have enough. What's up, Alex? How you doing? Yeah, I'm getting tired of sitting here now. Can prop base hit $1? Let me pull out my crystal ball and see. Where is it at? 6 pennies right now? Prop base. What is this? 3-day chart? Not doing anything. They're going sideways forever. Can prop base at $1? I guess it could. That's the first small target. 9x, 9.5x. Wait, that's wrong. We haven't looked at it since up there. Yeah, this looks like what? Is this the carrot chart or what is this? The casino coin chart. One of those. I mean, you're holding that support. It needs to hold. Any lower than that, then it's going down. But as for it hitting $1, there's no telling. Yeah, you just tagged the 786 final support and you're over the 236 final support. So that should be the bottom on this thing. Needs to move up. Based fart coin has bullish chart. Yeah, they came out with a, what was it, a Trump fart coin today? Trump fart or something like that. Oh yeah, someone said Shiba Inu. Shiba. Yeah, that Shiba chart looked really bullish. Is it still bullish? Yeah, just sell all your Shiba for Shiba. She just broke through the 382 here. We looked at this last time, curled up here. It's breaking over the 382 now. Excuse me. This thing looks like it wants to go vertical. This thing's about to do a 39x. Jeez. As long as you're over this multi-0 2-4 level. Yeah, these coins that have all these zeros like this is what people like to buy. Gotta adjust my chair. Shiba Inu to the moon. Just gonna outperform Shiba. Ski mask APU looking bullish. What was it one? Based fart coin. Is that what it's called? Based fart coin? Or is it fart coin on base? It's probably something new. If it ever pops up. Oh yeah, this thing's just going. Yep. Is that what I need to do, Matthew? Is just chase something that's doing this already and just get in and watch my money go to zero? Yeah, it just made a higher high. So it's either going to go up more or it's about to come back down real quick. Yeah, maybe what I need to do is just do the simple TA on these coins that are going up like this, wait for the pullback, see what the chart tells me. Yeah, this one potentially going to curl right back down to the trend, back to the 236 if it doesn't break over 39. So 302, get in, and that's where you get in and make some money. Yeah, watch it drop 37%, and then buy in and watch it go. Yeah, it just high-low, it just smacked into the 2414 here. So the next bounce on this one, come down here and you get a bounce and you go back up all the way up to 306, and then back down to test the 2618. Yeah, that's what she's gonna do. We're mapping it out. But if it doesn't go down, if it does go down, 100% move from where you are now, but if it does come down to those levels, a 3x off the next bounce. Let's see. Oh, what's up, DZ? Mister says it's the bull run over. No, it hasn't started yet. Well, alt season hasn't started. We just got front runners, XRP, and everything's going to the moon right now. Did XLM just break out? Yeah, it's running behind XRP. Any base beam coin like DGen gonna pump hard? Yeah, I heard someone say DGen's gonna pump really hard because it has a ton of holders. I don't know where you looked that up at, but if you go look that up, DGen apparently has a whole bunch of people holding it. Chaos. Didn't we look at Chaos before? What is that on? Yeah, I can't even look at Algo. I wanted Algo so bad at the bottom. So Algo and all these coins are going again, huh? Yeah. Still not breaking out yet, but yeah, she's moving. XLM. Yeah, she's right there. As soon as this thing gets over this 786 at about 47.5, she's gonna start flying. Yeah, up 7% already. XRP's going. Chaos. Is that on Solana or something? Base. Chaos on base is, I think, what you're talking about. No, alt season has not started. Sitting at 414. Let me find it real quick before we switch over there. What did you say? Sitting at 414 with 5 zeros. Harmony bot, is that what you're talking about? That looks like the one you're talking about. Harmony bot. Chaos. Oh yeah, that thing just looks like it bottomed out. It is making lower highs if this is the one. Yeah, I found it. I'm fixing to pull it up. Yeah, this thing looks like it's ready to go because you got this very large triangle pattern here. You just bottomed again. So depending on where we want to draw this at, let's see. So if we use the wicks, if we don't use the wicks, we kind of use the candles down here. Yeah, this thing's gearing up to go. As for when, no idea. 400K market cap, 2,500 holders almost. Holding the 236, bullish over 46, breakout. Yeah, if this thing gets over 5099, that's your breakout point. It could happen at any moment. Or it could take another week or two. Not a bad one. Oh, it always pumps 40% because the market cap is low. Yeah, at some point it's just going to pump. Just hopefully it stays in that little pattern there because I need some choices. When I finally get my check on the 21st, a week from now, I got to buy something. I need something that's going to move. Something like that looks good on a chart. Destra? What is Destra? No, I think we've looked at that. Oh, desync. Yeah, this is another one you guys are bullish on. Overall chart's curled up here. It's holding the previous high, so that's good. So your support here is the 36 level. Excuse me, jeez. Yeah, this is one I guess I need to do a real update on because we don't have anything on the chart. I have no idea what this is, where it's going. But it just made a slightly higher high, so the next move up should take you up 80% or so. 78, 79% to 65 if you hold over 36. But if this is the whole chart for this one, then it hasn't done anything really. If it's going to be something, then it will just run. You would imagine anyway. Why is our screen black? Oh. Oh, it's an AI coin. Okay. I don't remember if we did bonk or not. I want to say no. I think I looked at it earlier, but... Oh yeah, we just looked at the chart for a minute. Someone asked turbo or bonk, which one should they buy? Oh, I ultimately said turbo because I don't know bonk. I don't know what bonk's doing anymore. It's in this large upwards channel, just going sideways. I guess she's gonna run again at some point. But you know, just bouncing back and forth. So it looks like it's coming down back again to the 1414 at 20. But yeah, I remember being so bullish on bonk. So many updates on bonk were so bullish. It's just taking longer than expected. So it looks like it's dropping 26% still here. Just simply coming back down to this large channel bottom. And depending on where you want to draw this at, low to the high, yeah, if you do that one, it just lost the 618 support. $2.7, so it's either got to hold here or it's gonna come down. Other than that, large channel. Is bonk gonna go up is the question. Because you usually want these channels to be dipping down and then you go up. It's like in a really large bear flag. But yeah, I think bonk's gonna go up. We have this way the hell up here, 360x to a penny. Is bonk going to a penny? 360x. Some rubbish. But bonk potentially 44, 50 billion market caps, 20x. That's what they're saying these coins are going to do, 50 to 100 x's, or 100 million market caps. I mean, 100 billion. Oh yeah, you ready to buy Ondo? When is that? Tomorrow or the next day? Oh, why are we glitching out here? Make sure we're still live because I'm glitching out. Alright, I gotta close deck screener because I don't know what's happening to my computer. But yeah, if you go to CoinMarketCap, they have a section on there where you can go look at token unlocks, and it comes up with the earliest, what token's coming up next to unlock. Jeez. Trying to see what's on the list here. Anything we look at besides Ondo coming up. Yeah, Ondo's about to release 25.72% of their supply. In 3 days, 14 hours. Oh, Carrot's coming up. They're about to dump 1%. But yeah, Ondo. If you're looking to get in on Ondo, they're about to release the tokens for the year. When it dumps, it'll be probably the best time to ever get in on Ondo. Well, of course, the low was. Let's see what's going on. DGen has to move, yeah. Yeah, GFI will run eventually. But yeah, when I get some money, Matthew, you're gonna have to spoon feed me something to get into. Wagme? Is that Wagme Games? What are we looking at? But yeah, Ondo's about to dump. What am I looking for? ETH. Yeah, there's nothing really to say on ETH. Last time we looked at it, it was dropping still. ETH is kind of in the bonk chart to where it's got this spot it's getting stuck at, higher lows. So that tells me at some point when it finally breaks out, it's going to start going real hard. The big question is, it is holding low to the high 382 here at 31. Is it going to hold up and finally move out of here, or is it about to just crawl sideways and down all the way back down to 2700 potentially, or 2900, back down to the trend like it does every time? This very large trend it's holding. If that's the case on ETH, then that's going to tell us alt season's not going to start for a good while. So if we have to crawl all the way down here like this, that potentially puts us into springtime, April, May, before we can even attempt to start going back up. Same thing we said with Bitcoin. What is it, the Coinbase chart? So looking at that on ETH and then just zooming out to the monthly on Bitcoin, every time it moves up, it comes back to this very steep trend. Well, it's not that steep, but you get the idea. Same thing it did here, it ran and it just crawled back for months until it tagged the trend and then went back up. So if ETH is going to crawl around, maybe BTC just crawls around forever here and hits that 80K they're looking for and then goes up. I don't know. Maybe we still got a long time to wait. I believe the government will have to print more money to help California. Is California still burning? Yeah, we're almost on 2 hours. Yeah, we looked at Carlo earlier. Carlo looks good. Yeah, that's what I heard. Executive orders on day one. I don't know. He's got Elon Musk by his side now, so maybe they're just going to say no more taxing crypto. No more anything. Just buy whatever you want. Get out there and be a good capitalist and just go make money however you need to. One day, Alex, you're going to make the money. I know it. But yeah, I guess 2 hours in. Oh, we got 20 people now in here. Everyone piles in when we gotta leave. I mean, we don't have to go anywhere. I'm just tired of sitting here. Hold on, give me a moment. Alright, I'm back in. Check out the description of Wag Me by Virtuals. It's gonna be a juggernaut. Are we still live? Because my computer just told me we're frozen. I need to wait. Let me see, are we getting overheated? You guys can probably still hear me, but I had to refresh everything. Yeah, are these coins, Wag Me and all these coins, are they gonna wait a week? Or they're gonna, or is this a get in now kind of thing? Let's see, okay, I think we're back up. Maybe I need to kill the music too. Oh yeah, there's Wag Me games, but you're talking about Wag Me virtual coin. Yeah, you get too late getting in. It went up 77%, huh? Yeah, just let's see. Let me see if I can bring up Deck Screener again. But yeah, I was trying to look on YouTube and find a channel, find someone that's like hunting these things down and being honest. But everyone I came across, maybe you guys know of someone. Everyone I come across on every YouTube channel, they're trying to sell you a membership or something. You know, ridiculous price membership and Discord and all this stuff. But I'm trying to pull up Wag Me on. Hey Anon. That Hey Anon coin's still going. What is that? Sonic. Yeah, what rebranded to Sonic? I forgot. Because now it's showing Sonic coins. Let me pull this up so you guys can see it. Yeah, but every time I don't overthink, I buy into something and it goes down every time. I'm with you, Alex. Every time I sell, it goes up. I buy, it goes down. Ski mask cat. Let me pull this up real quick. That was weird. Oh, hold on. All right, wag me by virtuals. 200K market cap, not bad. This thing's down at the bottom. This thing just came out. So when you're looking at these coins, you check out the websites and everything, huh? Make sure they're on Twitter, have a website. But yeah, this one, if the bottom is in, not bad. A 20x to a new high. Nice 3.5x to a 618 retracement if that's the bottom. Confirmed over 2.6 here. But yeah, this is what I need. Something like this that hasn't ran. A virtual coin on base. And what, just throw $100 on it and let it pump. And roll to the next one. And just keep going. Just keep rotating. GE, he says, yeah. Yeah, all that membership stuff is a ripoff. I'm sure there's a couple out there, more than a couple because there's so many people on YouTube, but most of it's just a ripoff. They just want you to join and then they throw all this stuff at you and you're just like, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to write a list down. Everyone you bring up in the live streams. What are a couple of others that are still down, not doing anything? I'll make a little list here, and that way a week from now, I'll see what's still not moved, and I'll try to see if I can get in on it. And then Matthew will be the channel mascot from then on out. All right, I wrote Wag Me down, the one on the list. Brett Skywalker, is that on virtuals? Tell me what they're on now. I'm just gonna write these things down. So I got Wag Me. What about Cloudland? Is that thing still moving or sitting? Yeah, same thing with DGen. What's up, Slava? You still here? Yeah, what is Brett Skywalker on? Brett Skywalker. Yeah, Matthew's gonna save me with some coins here. But yeah, DGen's still holding up as of now. Okay, you read about it. Matthew does his homework. Think I'm gonna go buy some when I get my money. Just some little seed plays on base, these virtual coins, and maybe some Solana coins. I don't know. Solana's not doing anything. There's a good question for you guys. Are you guys on the Discord? I know nothing about Discord or really how to use it. I made one for the channel. I'm never on it, but I do go over to it occasionally just to kick someone out. Where's the Discord? Yeah, but you guys are getting to know each other here. You guys should get over on the Discord, and you guys could talk all the time when we're not live streaming. These people just keep piling into the Discord. I don't even know who all these people are. Adrian. Let's see if there's any scammers in here. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god. Can you guys join the Discord and then I'll make you guys moderators or something, or however that works? There is four. Let me see if I can bring this up. I guess I can. It's just a Discord channel. I'm gonna ban these fools. I'm about to ban these fools right now. Because every once in a while I'll get a message to someone in their Discord saying that, did I ask them to send me money? Was that you? And I'm like, no, that's not me. Ski Mask Cat. Yeah, what is Ski Mask Cat on? Yeah, tell me what Ski Mask Cat is on. I'm gonna start writing these down because I gotta get something. Cloudland. Yeah, what is Cloudland on? Is that virtual or is that just a base coin? I mean, I can always look them up. Yeah, I'm the same. I don't use TikTok. I don't look at it. I don't have it. I don't. It's not on my phone. I could care less about TikTok. But I know a lot of people stare at TikTok all day long. What's up, Justin? Thoughts on, what is that? ORAI and ATH. Alright, Ski Mask Cat on base. Let me write that down. We'll go look at it in a minute. Ski Mask on base. Yeah, Skywalker and Wag Me. Alex, don't you live in Dallas? Excuse me. I think I remember you saying you lived in Dallas. You're like 3 hours away from me. But you can use a DEX. You can use Pancake Swap. But yeah, just follow your lead. I don't know if you're talking to me or not. Yeah, when I get my money, I'm gonna just follow Matthew around like a little puppy. Matthew's going to take me to the promised land. Oh, you don't know how to use it. Do you have a Coinbase wallet or a MetaMask wallet? Let me ask you that. All right, I'm going to pull this up. Like I said, I don't know how to use Discord. There's so many buttons on it. I'm old. I don't get the point in it besides people chatting. But I know pretty much every channel out there has a Discord for their community, and I'm just like, okay, so we'll make one. Oh, I see Crypto Shocks in there. But the Discord, the link for it is on the page somewhere or in the description. I don't remember. I think it's on the homepage of the channel. But let's see here. Oh, we got it pulled up. We'll ban some fools here. Alright, you guys can see. See, every time I come in here, there's multiple. The only one up here is me. This is the original with the little crown that says server owner. They'll make these things all the time with a little crown by it or in front of it or somewhere, and people don't take the time to, you know, look at it closely. So people get scammed here. So this scammer is getting banned. Ban Majestic Unicorn. Am I on the right one? Yeah, you're getting banned because you're trying to use my name to scam people. See, the real Crypto Undead. Let's ban this fool. And then Crypto Undead's Horde. It's ridiculous. So many scammers in the crypto space, it's ridiculous. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I was the same way, but I ended up learning how to use it. But all it's ever done is gamble my money away. But the position I'm in now, got no choice. I no longer have the 5 to 10 grand to throw at a good coin or divide it up. Who's holding Ondo? 3 days from now, Ondo's dumping 25%. Yeah. Dora AI by Virtuals. Yeah, I think that's one we looked at too. People are selling ETH for XRP. Yeah, XRP's going. Shroom Nation. Is that a virtual coin? Yep, and they're all over in the comments too on all the videos. I'm getting more and more people saying, man, so many bot comments. Someone even unsubscribed. They said there's too many bots, I'm out. But we're still looking at Bitcoin here. I guess we should just stare at XRP since she's moving. But yeah, if you guys want to continue, chatting with each other, go join the Discord. Dang, XRP has a fat little candle spawned in here on the month. But yeah, over 2 hours in, I think we're about to end this thing. Just come back with some more coins tomorrow. We'll do this all again. We'll write them down. We'll look at some. Yeah, always working, never have time to. Yeah, because if you don't learn to do it right, you can mess up and you will lose your money easily. It's not hard once you learn it, but if you don't absolutely know what you're doing, you can easily lose money in a heartbeat. Yeah, if they unlock the tokens and that thing drops pretty decent at least, could be a real good time to get in because they're not, from my understanding, not releasing tokens again until next year. But yeah, I guess we'll leave it at that for now. You guys hit the like button on your way out. XRP is going to go to the moon overnight. Let's see, what's the mix? Just want to see where Ondo is right now. Where's it going to be in 3 days? Oh yeah, she's about to dump hard. She's down below the 786. Barely holding on to this little baby trend she has in play now. So there may be a good steep discounted price on Ondo soon. We'll see where it ends up, but we mentioned this months ago, I believe. Depends on where the price is when the token unlock is. $3 days from now, it's going to be down here at $1, and then token unlocks, and it's going to be all the way down here. No meme coin, he says. Okay, I get you. I got you. Lost your bag of PRQ. Ondo to 0. Yeah, I never thought of that. Are people going to short this thing? Are they already shorting it? Short it now, put your stop loss right here, and just watch it go down. Yeah, this daily candle closes below 117 on Hondo. Be a good spot. A little tiny stop loss, and then just watch it go to down. Watch it go to zero. Yeah, 75. Yeah, I'm bullish on Hondo. I think it's going to run after they release the tokens. It's going to go right back up. Excuse me, no problem. All right. With that said, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Please hit the like button for me on the way out. Another, I guess productive 2-hour live stream, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Look out for the updates. Go watch the updates on the channel. Hit the like button for me. I know there's spam comments already coming into them, but I can't do anything about most of them. So it really helps when you guys go in there and hit the like button, share, subscribe, whatever. I know you guys are all subscribed probably. But yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow at some point. Probably tomorrow night, more likely than not. And with all that being said, appreciate you guys. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and peace out.